Changing the CentriMag battery. The CentriMag console contains a lithium-ion battery that must be changed every 2 years. To change the lithium-ion battery, gently turn the console over. Unscrew the 4 screws on the battery plate and place them to the side. Remove the plate and remove the expired battery. Select a new battery and plug the battery in and insert it into the console. Replace the plate and the screws